YouTube business do's and don'ts. Do's. Plan everything. It is crucial that you plan everything you'll do with your YouTube business. From your next video to your upcoming product launch video campaign, it is important that you think about the results that you want to get before you execute. Be customer-centric. Your YouTube business content has to be customer-centric. This means that you have to create videos that make the viewer aware that you are selling a product or service, and that help them make faster purchasing decisions. Be entertaining. Your message is going to resonate more with your audience if you entertain and educate at the same time. This ensures that viewers will remember your brand down the road. Be original. You have to work on creating a voice and feel that is unique for your brand, something that helps new viewers differentiate you from the competition, and that cues repeat viewers into recognizing your unique brand identity. Be consistent. Make sure to stick to a content schedule. Release videos when people expect them. Share relevant stuff with your social media followers at specific times every day, and so on. Engage with your audience. Engaging with your audience is as important as creating quality content. Simply reply to comments, like interactions, and give shoutouts to active viewers and subscribers, and you'll keep your prospects happy. Engage with other YouTube businesses. It is highly recommended that you interact with other brands on YouTube. Find similar businesses to yours and comment on their videos. This will expose your brand to an untapped audience. Be visually attractive. Maintaining a clean professional image and neat production values will help you attract more viewers and keep existing ones coming back. A well-designed channel and videos are great for growth. Use calls to action. Always make clear what action you want a user to complete at any point in all of your videos, be it to visit a website, to watch an upcoming video, or to submit their info. Always ask your viewers to take action. Monitor your performance. Keep an eye on your performance by tracking the metrics that are relevant to your goals, such as view times, click-through rates, and conversions. Don'ts. Don't steal content. It is okay to reverse engineer and repurpose content by giving it a different angle. However, copying content from another creator or business and reusing it as your own will get you in trouble and damage your reputation. Don't mislead. Always create content that is consistent with your keywords. Never use keywords that attract traffic to the wrong type of video just because it adds more viewers to your counter. Don't spam. Never overpromote your offers, and never spam your subscribers with notifications. Users won't buy anything just because you publish a product video every day. Don't try to go viral, at least not all the time. Going viral is sometimes a matter of luck, and failed attempts can look desperate to your viewers. So, if you plan to make a video go viral, plan well and find assistance if possible. Don't try to become famous. Becoming a famous YouTuber is not the job of a YouTube business. To have a very large viewership, you have to create entertainment-centric videos with a very mainstream appeal. Instead, focus on growing your own limited niche audience. That's where your customers are at. Don't force sub for sub. There is no point on following random accounts if you run a YouTube business. So offering to subscribe to other channels if they subscribe to yours is a surefire way to grow a fake audience that'll never buy from you. Don't disappear. If you have to take a break from YouTube for any reason, tell your subscribers and announce it on your channel. This way, people will know that you'll be back and won't think that you became inactive. Don't publish corporate stuff. Don't publish videos about your business or about very technical details of your service unless you do it in an entertaining way. For example, by publishing a behind-the-scenes or production bloopers video. Don't argue with others. Don't take criticism personal, and never argue with users in the comments. Always reply with professionalism and ignore, even block overtly toxic interactions. Don't overpublish. Avoid posting too many videos, and avoid publishing and creating every video that pops into your mind. Simply keep your intended content schedule consistent and your YouTube business will be all right. YouTube business tools and services to consider. vidIQ. vidIQ is a video marketing tool designed for YouTube businesses and creators that are serious about getting profitable results. It is a certified YouTube platform that will help you analyze your existing content and will provide you with insights that you can use to improve your output. It offers powerful analytics features that monitor keyword scores, views, search term metrics, engagement metrics, and much more. You can also add it as an extension on Chrome for easier access. TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is an all-in-one productivity tool for your YouTube business. It can help you organize all your YouTube activities under a single dashboard, and it helps you understand your audience, to optimize your content, and to improve your SEO strategy. TubeBuddy offers you features that include advanced keyword research, time-saving templates and publishing tools, search engine optimization resources, built-in promotional tools, as well as analytics and split testing tools. SocialBlade. SocialBlade is a top analytics tool and a favorite among successful YouTubers running their businesses on the platform. It has a powerful monitoring engine that helps you track user statistics and provides a deeper understanding of the user growth and trends that matter most to your YouTube business. SocialBlade is powerful, but not complicated. It provides you with a simplified analytics technology that is easy to understand for any creator. It allows you to see your subscribers, your video views, and your estimated earnings by date. And it makes it easier than ever for you to rank your videos, find influencers, and grow your channels. Woobox. Woobox is an all-in-one online marketing platform that has a dedicated suite for YouTube creators and businesses, which is designed to help you promote your YouTube channel and your content on Facebook the easy way. With Woobox, you'll be able to display your videos on a Facebook page tab with just a few clicks. It is easy. It allows you to feature your best videos. It adds a subscribe button so viewers can subscribe without leaving your YouTube tab, and exposes your YouTube business to the Facebook audience. Pixlr. Pixlr is a next-generation image editing tool that is designed for YouTube businesses and online marketers. Pixlr provides you with next-level intuitive image editing tools that are powered by artificial intelligence. It is easy to use, and it makes editing your YouTube thumbnail seamless, fun, and fast. You can use it to edit stuff carefully on your desktop, or to edit stuff such as special effects and stickers for your videos on the go. Tubular Insights. Tubular Insights is, just as the name implies, a video marketing insights platform that is designed to give YouTube businesses the latest and most popular insights on the video marketing industry. More specifically, it is a network of video marketing experts that monitor, analyze, and collect the latest, most relevant information from every corner of the video marketing industry. With Tubular Insights, you'll get the latest trends, tips, and analysis for your YouTube business strategy from these experts right to your inbox. Camtasia. Camtasia is a video editing and screen recording tool that might just be the perfect solution for your growing YouTube business, because it offers you an all-in-one suite for all your screencasting and video editing needs. With Camtasia, you can mark up videos, make edits, add effects, capture and customize the movements of your mouse on the screen, show keystrokes, add notes, annotations, highlights, captions, and much more. Camtasia is perfect for creating tutorials, video lessons, explainers, how-to videos, demos, training videos, and the like. Hootsuite. Hootsuite is an awesome social media management tool with great YouTube business features. It offers brands and creators on the platform a simpler way to manage their YouTube business, and it unlocks new ways to save time and grow your video views. Hootsuite will help you to schedule videos on your own terms, to share your YouTube videos across social media, and to automatically search, find, and share videos from your custom search stream when you don't have videos to publish. SEMrush. SEMrush is a social media analytics tool that will help you with your YouTube business SEO, competitive search, and content strategies. You can use SEMrush to do keyword analysis in your niche, to run a channel audit, to track your performance and backlinks, and to get organic traffic insights. Headliner. Headliner is an amazing video creation tool for YouTube businesses and creators. It helps you get your content ideas more easily and faster because it offers you a canvas where you can insert your videos, images, and audio. Then add animations, captions, GIFs, and more until you get the perfect video. Then it makes it easy to export and share your video on YouTube and across all your channels.